Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am cutting my hair. So look how long my hair has grown. My hair has grown. I'm not gonna lie, I've been really loving long hair because ever since I cut my hair, oh my god, I miss my long hair. I miss my long hair.
You can't go back.
Look at this. Also, what is this?
Oh.
Is that such shorter now? Why is that such shorter now?
What?
I was always looking back old photos when my hair was nice and long and healthy, and I miss those days. And look, my hair has finally grown. But today we're gonna cut it. So the last time I actually cut my hair was the last time I actually had a haircut was when my boyfriend cut my hair, and then Brad Mondo ended up reacting to it, and I was like, Brad Mondo reacting to me? Something? And I was like, oh god, mistakes were probably made. Let me cringe. Long story short, Brad Mondo told me that my hair could do with some layering. He told me my hair needed texture.
She at least needs some layering. Come on, give me just a little bit of layering. Give me some kind of texture, something going on, some kind of movement. Just texture, okay? It can still be one length, but just texture. Give me a little bit of texture.
Which, you know what, not gonna lie, don't blame him because I completely agree. Because since my hair has grown, I feel like I have no body to my hair. My hair is a triangle, just like me. I thought to myself, what better way to do it than to follow Brad Mondo's guide on how to cut hair at home. So I have the video in front of me right now. So I'm gonna go through it and try to use his guide on how to cut my hair and how to do it correctly. The video is half an hour long, so how am I gonna do this?
So we're gonna go to the top of the head and you're gonna lay your comb on there and you're gonna find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm gonna take the comb.
Step 1, find apex of my head. Thing is, don't have a comb, but I do have a hairbrush. So I'm gonna separate my hair into 4 sections. I'm gonna leave my hair parting as it is in regards to my own parting. I literally just do this. That's how I get my parting. Is it wonky? Yes. Let's not talk about that. So you said to separate it into 4 sections. I need to bring my parting all the way down to the back, but then will that lead for a really uneven cut? Because Brad, my parting's on this side, my parting's here. Like, how? Lay your comb and find the apex. Where is it? Oh my god, my belly. I don't have a comb, Brad. Brad, what do I do? You see, the thing is, I'm following this guide and I need to balance the comb. How? I know this says I'm following Brad Mondo's guide, but literally I can't do this part. I'm just gonna separate this into 2 sections. Okay.
And we're gonna start point cutting. You can also point cut downward, upwards like this, or downwards like this, okay? Doesn't matter. It's the same either way. I'm gonna go like this because it's more natural for me, but I'm just gonna start cutting that hair.
I don't really want to cut much length off. The main reason for me cutting is I want my hair to have like layers and stuff like that, and I don't got a lot of layers, so that's what I'm trying to do. In terms of length, oh, let's just cut off a little. Let's cut off like a centimeter. Maybe I should have got smaller hairbands, but this is all I got right now. This one I could just drag it down. So I'm just gonna separate this side into 2 sections and do the same. And I'm gonna drag it down to the, can you guys see? To the same length that I want cut off. So not much at all. Okay, so the way he's doing it is what he says is called point cutting. That's when you like cut it upwards or like cut it downwards like that, not horizontally. He's doing it this way. Oh, why can't I do that? I'm gonna do, oh my god, there's no hair at all that I'm cutting off. Okay, I'm just gonna whatever. Just so we can get all the lengths nice and even. Gonna do the same for this side. All right, let's now take these out. Oh my god, my ends were dead because this was nice and soft. In terms of getting that nice and equal length all across, to me, So far looks good.
So now we're gonna take the hair and bring it all to the top of our head like this. Make sure it's all nicely brushed out. Super important that there's no tangles. Everything is very smooth. And we're gonna take our finger and go through about 1.5 inches up or 1 inch up, just like halfway through that ponytail and let that down. And the rest of it, we're gonna bring up to the top, put the elastic in while holding that tension just like this. So I just put the elastic right there. I'm not gonna cut it right there. Once it's tied tight, let it down very lightly. Leave it like that.
Let's just, okay, to split everything in half. So with your 4 sections, split it roughly in half. I don't know if you said roughly. Brush it upwards and then, oh my god, tie it like so. Can you guys see? Oh my god. So tie that upwards and then just let it down. Yeah. Okay, and then same for the other section. So I'm gonna bring that in half. This is half. This is half. I'm just gonna go there. Is this half, guys? I am struggling. I can't see. So far. Struggling. Oh my god. My arms ache. Oh my god. Can't sit still clearly. Cool. And then the other, oh my god. Brush it up. You got long hair. It's gonna be a workout. Cool. Put it down. I'm gonna leave out my fringe, whatever fringe I have. Is this a fringe? Okay. I don't want too much layering on the front bit, this part right here, because I feel like if I mess this up, oh my god, to fix that, like, it's gonna be my problem and it's gonna be my fault. Not for me. So I am actually gonna bring these down a little bit lower because I am, oh my god, because if I, imagine I cut this much off just for a layer. Like, I want like some long layers because, oh my god, imagine if I cut from here, slide that up, slide this up, slide this one up. What I really love about this hair tutorial is that the cleanup is easy because I can literally just put my bin here and just cut it on top of my bin. So thanks for that. God, I'm scared. I'm scared. Okay. How? So you said to do that point cut thing. Did you say point cut? Or am I just imagining things? I can't remember. So it's basically just cutting upwards or downwards, just not like horizontally. I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Okay, this one barely has any hair, so I'm not that scared. Okay, we're just gonna stop there. Oh my god, ends go nice and smooth. Next bit. Ooh. Am I doing this right? Oh god. Thin it out, I guess. Did I cut? Did I cut something from? Oh, that's not question. I thought I literally cut something from here. Did I can't, I didn't see it. Did I cut from here? Okay, never mind. This part. All right, let's take these out. Not gonna lie, my hair feels so much healthier, but as it should. Ooh, okay, got some layers in. I feel like I could have went a little bit shorter with the layers, but ooh, I am scared. If it goes wrong, it's easier to, you know, just not do it than to just overdo it. Okay, I'm gonna leave it for now. If I want to do more, I'll do more in a few days. Let me just sit on this. All right, so in terms of framing for the face, you said to bring it, okay, let me just brush it. I feel like I touch my hair too much and it just goes like unbrushed. Okay, you could, he said to literally like just, I am scared. How far down am I meant to go? I don't want to do it too high up and regret. Okay, what happened behind my ear? Okay, this one I can put behind my ear. Okay, so cool. I am scared. Like this? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna go slowly, less likely to make a mistake because knowing me, I'm gonna be like, am I cutting enough? That alright? Okay, we'll leave it at that. Let's just do this side now. I'm aware I'm doing it a little bit differently than my other one. I have no reason. Just going for it, really. Okay, let me just zhuzh it a little bit. So this is what we got. My hair feels so much more healthier. I really did have some dead ends in my hair, for real. I just had some dead ends that I just needed to cut off, and I wanted some more body to my hair. However, my next thing here is, Brad, you didn't say anything about fringe, and I got a fringe. I don't know what to do with this fringe. I feel like my fringe is so out of place. Do I even it on this side? Is it gonna be a mistake if I cut a little bit here just to even something out, just to make it... I cut a fringe randomly, right? Because I felt like I needed one. And the thing is, now I've got something dangling on this side. I want something dangling on this side. Does that make sense? Am I gonna make a mistake? Me thinking I'm a hairdresser now. Okay, I'm just gonna get a little bit here. Tie this out the way. I'm just gonna cut this bit and see if it looks okay. If not, mistakes were made, but you can learn from my mistakes. Ooh. Okay, let's do it with this much hair. I do. Ooh, okay. Okay, I did it. Was it a good choice? Right now when my hair is up, it looks fine, but let's see this now. I didn't really cut much, to be fair, so that's why I'm hoping it won't make much of a difference. And oh, don't even notice it. Do I? It might just stick to my face though, that's the issue. Okay, I'm just gonna stop here because the thing is, I feel like I could carry on forever, and I feel like I'm gonna make so many more mistakes if I'm not following what Brad Mondo told me to do. Because look at me, I've already gone on the extra mile of unnecessary cutting, so I'm just gonna stop here. This is my final result of me following Brad Mondo's guide to cutting my hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys think this looks better than the beginning results. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.